Good morning, dear students. In previous class, we discussed new topic, language of chemistry. In that topic, already we discussed about symbol of elements and how to write the symbol of the elements, and also we introduced the number of symbol of elements in that class. Previous class already we discussed. So in this session, we are going to learning about new topic. So that is very important topic and also easy topic. We can discuss. That is valency. Valency. So before discuss the topic, once we recall that what is valency. Valency means the combining capacity of an atom of the element. So once we discuss that definition, combining capacity. Combining capacity of an atom of element is known as valency. So here valency means combining capacity of an atom. So combining means mix it together. At any compounds, we are finding at any particular element only consider as a valency. So that means combining capacity of an atom of an element is known as valency. So simple way to learn the valency of an elements. So that is first one, in periodic table they are divided into three parts: metals, non-metals and metalloids. Today we discuss metals, how to find the valency of metals and how to find non-metals valency. So in this session we are going to discuss how to find the valency of metals and non-metals. There is simple formula to find the valency of metals. It is equal to the electronic outermost shell. That means electronic configuration of outer electrons, like valence electrons. Metals, valence electrons. So the valency of a metals is equal to the valence electrons. Suppose we take sodium. How to find valence electrons? Sodium is a metal. So if you gain the electron or losses electron, metals always lose the electron. Electronic configuration of sodium: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So how many shells is there? Divided into three shells: K shell, L shell, M shell. So M shell is the outermost shell. So that is equal to valency of sodium. So what is the valency of sodium? 1. So the formula of metals is equal to the valence electrons. All metals valency is equal to the valence electrons. Suppose we take other electron of metal, magnesium. The valence electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So it also divided into three shells: K shell, L shell and M shell. So these are the valence of magnesium. What is the valency of magnesium? 2. Valency is 2. So these are the method to find the valency of an atom. So non-metals, this formula 8 minus group number or valence electrons. To finding the non-metals, formula of valency is 8 minus group number or valence electrons. Already know valence electrons. So here what is group number? So in periodic table they are divided into 18 groups. So the first we discuss first A group to 7th A group elements. So suppose we take example non-metals. So non-metals like fluorine. So what is the electronic configuration? So every element must you should write the electronic configuration of the elements. So fluorine electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5. So What is the atomic number? 9. Atomic number of fluorine is 9. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2p5. How many shells is there? Divided into 2 shells, K shell and L shell. So what is the valence electron? 7. So here 7 is a valence electron. What is the formula of non-metals to find the valence electrons? 8 minus group number. So fluorine contain 7th A group. Fluorine contain 7th A group. So that also you can use same formula, 8 minus group number means 7. So what is the valency? 1. So these are the method to find the valency of non-metals. So now we discuss the all group numbers, how to find the valence electrons based on first A group to 8th A group elements. In periodic table, we take first period, right here, first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period, sixth period and seventh period. Groups. So we take first A group elements. What are the first A group elements? Except hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, strontium. So these are the first A group elements. So first A group to third A group elements are metals. It belongs to metal group. Next one, second A group elements. Second A group. What are the second A group? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, and radium. So next one, third A group elements. Third A group. Boron, carbon, nitrogen, boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. So these are third A group elements: boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Fourth A group elements. What are the fourth A group? Very long after boron, carbon, silicon, germanium, lead. So stannum, Sn. Tin and lead. Next one, fifth A group elements. So fifth A group, carbon after nitrogen. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, strontium, bismuth. Sixth A group elements. What are the sixth A group? Nitrogen after oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So next remaining 8th A group one, 6th and 7th and 8th A group elements. 7th A group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetate, and 8th A group elements. So 8th A group elements: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. So these are the groups. So groups belongs to 8 groups in 7 periods: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. So now we discuss the valency of metals. Valency of metals. So what are the valency? So first A group elements, all elements contain valency 1. So already we discussed first A group, 1s1, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. The outermost electrons present in 1 electron. So valency of first A group 1. So you can write here down. valency of first group element is 1. So we take other example also, sodium. Already we discussed it before. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. The outermost electron is 1. So that means all the elements like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, strontium, all the elements valency contain only 1. Take secondary group elements. What are the secondary group elements? Beryllium. So beryllium electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. So outermost electrons it will be present 2. So that means valency is 2. Magnesium same 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. So outermost electrons 2. So secondary group contain all the elements like beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Valency is 2. And next one, third group elements. Boron. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So the outermost electrons 3 electrons. The valency is 3. And aluminum also same 3. Like so up to first group, second group, third group contain all metals. So fourth group, this is non-metal atoms. Carbon. Valency electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 2p2. So total 4 valency. So it is a non-metal. Carbon is non-metal. What is the formula? We discussed it before. Non-metal 8 minus. Group number is fourth group. So 8 minus 4 or valence also 4 same. So it belongs to fourth group. So next one, nitrogen. Electronic configuration 2s2, 2p3. So 5. Valence is 5. What is the formula? 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So 3. Next one, oxygen. So all elements in this fifth group element, all the elements, the valency will be present only 3. And sixth group elements, electronic configuration of oxygen 2s2, 2p4. So that means 6. 8 minus 6 equal to 2. So in this valency is 2. Before we discuss valency of fluorine, seventh group element. So fluorine electronic configuration 2s2, 2p5. So valency is 7. 8 minus 7 equal to 1. 1. So these are 0. Why 0? The outermost electrons are present in neon. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So outermost electrons are present in 8. So non-metal, neon is a non-metal. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So valency of non-metals, 8th group elements 0. What about 7th group 1, 6th group 2, 5th group 3 and 4th group 4. So remaining metals are 1, 2, 3, non-metals are 3, 2, 1, 4 also non-metal. So these are the method to find the electronic configuration of metals and also non-metals. We are finding valency of the metal and non-metals. So these are basic way to finding the valency of metals. So next section we are going to discuss about how to find variable valency of the metals. Like example of, we take any example HCl. So in this HCl we need to find valency of hydrogen. We know generally first group hydrogen belongs to hydrogen is first group, valence is 1. But chlorine 7th group. See here, chlorine is 7th group. What is the valence of chlorine? 1. So we need to find the only valency of hydrogen means 1 hydrogen atom. How many hydrogen atoms are present? Only 1 hydrogen atom. Next one, take other example, NH3. Find the valency of hydrogen in this one. So nitrogen belongs to which group? 5th group. So that means valency is 3. Valency of nitrogen is 3. So remaining examples we discussed on next video.